Kia ora. Here at UCOL, we use Moodle to view assignment details, find out more about program courses, access student services, and more. If you're new to using Moodle, use this handy step-by-step guide on how to log in. Step 1. Open an internet browser. Google Chrome is our preferred browser, but you do you. Step 2. Google UCOL Moodle, and the correct web page should appear at the top of the search results. Or type moodle.ucol.ac.nz straight into the URL bar. Step 3. Once the web page is loaded, click on the green Users Login button. This should redirect you to a Microsoft login where you can input your UCOL and student email address. This is normally your student ID number at studentmail.ucol.ac.nz. Step 4. Enter your password. It should have been provided to you by your lecturer already, but if not, get in contact with our student IT help desk and get your password reset. Step 5. If this is a computer you are using all the time, you can choose Stay Signed In, which will make things easier in the future. And there we go. You've successfully logged into Moodle.